Hey everybody, this is Doug with Compass Off-Road Exploration, and I was actually en route to another location just now, but I came across this road here, and it's just got an identifier of 107, and I'm going to check it out. I'm going to see what my GPS says that this is called. I think it is West Wolf Creek Road. So I was on Wolf Pen Gap Road, and this is West Wolf Creek Road that we're on. So it doesn't look like anything too crazy. Nice little another dirt road. Figure out where this comes through. Alright, I had to turn the camera back on just to show you this tree that, look where it broke, and it is being held up by the trees across the road. So let's hope that that stays there for a while. Alright, there is another trail off to the left. That's Big Grassy Knob Road, and I am not sure where that goes either. This is my first time up here, so looks like there's some exploring to do up in this area. So far this road is dirt / gravel, and it's fine. I mean, dry conditions, so two-wheel drive I've been in the whole time. Okay, so we're still on West Wolf Creek Road, and we are 2.2 miles in, and I've passed 4 different campsites, just to make you aware. The first 2 are definitely small single sites. The next 2 after that, though, are larger. The third one definitely could accommodate a few groups, probably. Even if you had a trailer, there was actually a pretty big parking area that if you were towing a trailer behind you, you could just back that right in and set up right there. Or if you use your vehicle, again, plenty of, if you got a rooftop tent or whatever, plenty of parking there. And we have another fallen tree here, but plenty of clearance to go right underneath it. And as you can, I don't know if you can see it or not, there's actually a creek that runs along Wolf Creek Road. I'm guessing it's Wolf Creek. So all the campsites are along that I did go by are on the creek side. And here's another camping area right here. Looks like somebody's got a tent set up. So that's the 5th one I've come across. That's at 2.6 miles. And that's, again, that's another large campsite as well. Okay, it looks like we're going to be coming to the main road here in a few minutes. I actually did just pass another campsite, which was a single. So, if I haven't lost count, I think that was 5 different campsites. 3 small, 2 fairly large, or kind of lost count, so I'm not 100% sure. Okay, as you can see, we are coming to the end, about to reach pavement again. So the total distance was 3.5 miles of dirt on that road, and it's a nice road if you do Helton Creek and Hatchet Creek Road, and this isn't that far from there. I think it was maybe 15 minutes away, and you want to tie this into it, and you could take that offshoot that I saw. I did look at it on the map. That was Big Grassy Knob Road. It looks like a very long road, so you could definitely take that for a little while. I don't think I'm going to go back and do that today. I might come back at some other point and hit that road and see what it's like. It didn't look, it kind of just looked like what we were just on, but yeah, at some point I may go back and take that, because it does look long, and there's another road that I want to head to and do today. So I'll probably have to come back and check that one out at another time. Hope you enjoyed this video as well. See you next time.